And still on farming, livestock farming in a St. Thomas community is under threat this evening because of a lack of water. Upset residents in the new land housing scheme protested the amount they're being asked to pay and the length of time it's taking for the entire area to have the promised commodity. Krista Campbell has this primetime news follow-up.
The rain after the drought. So much rain almost daily across the island for the past few weeks that the National Water Commission has lifted the restrictions on water usage for households. The island's two main water catchments now have enough of the commodity for regular water supply. But for residents of the new land housing scheme in Western St. Thomas, there's a problem. A 21,000-gallon water tank was commissioned on August 7 to finally alleviate decades of struggle to get the commodity. Over 2,000 residents are to benefit. But over a month later, many of them, mostly farmers, still do not have water.
And I'm tired of this situation because from me a 3-year-old, me leave from Newland Housing Scheme and go all down to Yala's primary school, go look water. For me head, me a old woman now. Me have arthritis in my knee and it hard for me on my back. And it hard for me to carry water all the way from them places they know.
Water in the line, so I don't know why we don't get it. Everybody don't get it around here. You pay for it, you cannot get it. From early on this year, all of my back, ringworm eat off my back. I pay how much in $1,000 to get it better. I can't get better because the water in the drum not clean.
The National Water Commission says most households should have piped water by next week and that the delays were as a result of heavy rains. But there's another challenge.
Some people really don't have the money that they say that we should pay. So I was asking, if they could give us some time to pay the money.
And while residents work on coming up with a $16,000 connection fee, livestock farmers are already paying dearly.
Yesterday, 60 big chicken ready for kill, couldn't get no water to kill them, so then die. Have some 3 weeks one, them die. Right now, they just drop like ripe mango. Water thirst kill them.
We have 16 pan up the road, that's why I look at taxi to carry me somewhere to get some water. Could somebody please help us? My children, they need water. Me can't make no breakfast. Me warm bed. My children clothes them need to wash. Help. Somebody help.
Go up a water commission place and pay for the water. Monday gone, we didn't see no water, nobody come board the main. So we da look say if them no come, then I send the truck come rescue away.
Residents were told a water truck would be sent to the area on Wednesday. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.